Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new day trading analysis. Today I'm going to talk about ES, which is futures for the Standard & Poor Index 500. So what you're looking at is a 30-minute chart of the ES, and what I want to talk about in here is a setup which formed yesterday, and the setup is one of my favorite volume profile setups. It is called the volume accumulation setup, and it is in here. First, you need to see a rotation, and then the rotation needs to be followed by a strong trend activity. Ideally, if the strong trend activity starts with real aggression, like in here, those two red candles, those are really aggressive, right? Because they are very steep. The trend is very steep here. So this is a strong initiation of sellers, and those sellers were most likely building up their short positions in here, in this rotation. If you use volume profile, because it will show you those heavy volumes in here. Let me delete all that so you can see it better, right? This heavy volume zone. This is telling us that big trading institutions were active here. And because from this rotation there was a sell-off, it is pretty likely that strong institutional sellers were building up their short positions in here, right? So for this reason, I think that this will work as a strong resistance, because when the price makes it back to this resistance, to this level, then the big trading institutions who place their shorts here will want to defend this place, because it is an important zone for them, right? Because they placed a lot of their shorts there. So this should work as a resistance, and the institutions should push the price downwards from there again. All right, so that's the reason number one why I think that this will work as a strong resistance. This is the beginning of that heavy volume zone. The level is exactly at 4,000. Now there's also one more thing that points us to this resistance, and the thing is that the price reacted to this zone in the past very strongly in here. This is telling us that this worked as a strong support in the past, not exactly that level, but this general zone, right? It worked as a strong support because the price bounced off this level very strongly. But then what happened was that the price went past that support, and when price goes past strong support like this one, it turns into resistance, right? The support turns into a resistance. And as you can see, this is the same area as we have that volume cluster, those heavy volumes here. Right, so those two setups align. The volume profile setup from here, and also the price action setup, which is telling us that support became a resistance. So those are two reasons why I think that when there's a pullback to this level, the price will react and go downwards from there, right? So what we need to do now is just wait for the pullback and take it from there. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about trading with volume profile, if you would like to get your hands on my volume profile indicators, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then I recommend visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and I recommend clicking this button, Trading Course and Tools. It will take you to a page. You scroll down a bit, and in here, there's a lead pack. This is a recommended training pack that will teach you everything there is about volume profile. You'll also be getting my daily trading levels. You'll get my volume profile indicators, a couple of bonuses, special tech support, and all that in one pack that includes everything that you are going to need. All right, there's a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the pack in detail, so you'll know exactly what you are getting. All right, so that's about that. That's about the video. I hope you guys liked it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, and until then, happy trading.